Hi there. Today's tried and tested recipe is Shahi Tukda with Suji Kheer. Let's celebrate with this fancy looking dessert that tastes out of the world. You'll enjoy making this simple recipe. Did you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates? For the sugar syrup, 1 cup of water that is heating up. Add in 1/4 cup of powdered sugar or caster sugar. Keep the heat at medium. When the sugar has dissolved completely, add in 3 green cardamoms. Just crush them and add it into the water. Lower the heat and simmer for about 10 minutes. That has been simmering away for 10 minutes now and it has reduced to half its volume. Time to turn off the heat and let it cool down completely. We'll also require slices of bread. I'm using sandwich bread. You could cut it into triangle or into squares. But to make it interesting, I'm using a heart-shaped cutter to cut it into hearts. Once they are all done, you could use up the trimmings to make breadcrumbs. Let's fry the bread slices in a pan. I'll add in some ghee or clarified butter that I made at home. Once that has melted, place the bread hearts into the pan. Brush a bit of ghee on top. Cook this on medium heat. I'll just check. There's a light color, so I'll turn them over. Fry on the other side till they turn absolutely crispy on both sides. Once they are done, just take them out and let them cool down to room temperature. Use the bread pan to make the kheer. Add in some ghee. Add in the suji, semolina, and just fry it on low heat till it gets a light color. Should take a few minutes. That looks good. Add in the milk. If you like the recipe, do share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section. Cook on low to medium heat. That has started to thicken. Let's add in some condensed milk. This is about 1/4 cup of condensed milk that I'm adding in. Mix well to dissolve it completely. Add in 1/4 cup of powdered sugar or caster sugar. You could add in more according to your taste. I'll add in a pinch of salt. Give it all a mix. Turn off the heat and let it cool down completely. So once that has cooled down completely, I'll add in a few drops of essence of keura. You could use rose water. Just a few drops will do. Give it a nice mix. And just look how thick it has turned out. Thick and creamy. Exactly as I had planned it to be. Mix it well. And that's ready for plating. I'm using some chironji and chopped pistachios for garnish. I also have some saffron strands soaking in hot milk and the sugar syrup. Place a layer of kheer on the platter. Place a bread heart, drizzle with sugar syrup and a bit of the kheer. Some chopped nuts. Drizzle with sugar syrup. And repeat with the kheer and the nuts. Finish it off with some kheer on top. Drizzle some of the saffron. Some pistachios. And some chironji. That's ready. Keep it in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes before you serve it. Enjoy!